Hello, my name is Dan Custer. I'm with Reed Electric. I'm going to talk to you today about the Forecyte vibration monitoring system. These are the sensors here that you can put on your equipment. You got a magnetic base, you set it on the equipment, it reads vibration. It'll also read temperature with these temperature probes. And you can access everything remotely. Those sensors talk to this gateway. The gateway sends everything to the cloud, and you can access it remotely, but it's automated. It can send you alerts whenever your vibration is out of the range that you set it for, or the temperatures are out of the range that you set it for. It'll automatically alert you. So you don't have a lot of manpower wasted with people going to check on equipment that you can just see from wherever you're at.